Hey Cakenistas, it's Marisha and I have another cake and combo video for you guys. Once again, this is a cake that I've had in the vault. It's too short to make a full video out of, but it's too long to make a short out of, if that makes any sense. I'm just going to make this cake and just respond to a Cakenista comment throughout the video. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel, press on the notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, is that my hair or is that the background? Ebony has a great question. She wants to know if I make cakes to sell to others, how much I charge, and if I make them vegan, or if it's possible to make them vegan. Let's go with the easy question first. Yes, I do make cakes to sell to other people. However, I do pick and choose at this point. I only do cakes for people that I know, or I know that they know of me through someone else, or I can prove easily that they're a real person, because there's a lot of scammers out there nowadays. It makes no sense, and they really just have nothing to do but sit at home. Yes, I have done vegan cakes. It's actually easier than you would imagine, and the reason that it is so easy is because Google has been around for a very long time. And thanks to Google, I found out that you can omit the eggs and replace that with orange juice. How about that? I don't know if that was that person's recipe and they just did that for some good flavor. I made a strawberry shortcake and it was amazing. I could tell a slight difference. The color was a little bit different. It wasn't as bouncy, but it was still a fluffy, good cake. The customer was super happy. So that's all I cared about. I was like, you like that cake? You like that orange juice cake, girl? You like that orange juice? She loved that orange juice. So it worked out. How much do I sell my cakes for? The price varies, so it's not just like a flat like pow. I do have a menu that I have come up with prices for. I come up with the price per serving for the flavor. I might say the base price for a vanilla cake is $4 a serving. Everything after that, in addition to, is an upcharge. If you want fondant, I'm adding to that dollar amount. Then I'm taking that dollar amount, I'm multiplying it by the amount of servings that you will be getting. If I'm taking a $4 slice of cake and I'm multiplying it by 16 servings, I'm going to get my base price for that cake. And a lot of people just give you options of like vanilla, red velvet, chocolate cake, cream cheese filling, or pineapple filling, or you know, I think that's great too. I would love to do that. The chef in me that has been creating menus since I was 16 years old can't stray away from the menu thing. And I would have 2 of them where you could build your own, or where you could go off of my menu. But that's a lot. That's a lot to send people and show people, and people definitely get overwhelmed. Like, okay, hold on, girl, hold on. Let me just gather. Now, if somebody has a special request, definitely, I'll do that special request and I will have a fee. Nowadays, everything has a fee. What do you think of the cake that was going on in the background? If you felt like it wasn't that great, I agree. If you felt like it was pretty cool, I agree. This must have been five years ago. It was very 5 years ago of me. I don't know. Well, if you guys enjoy these types of videos, go ahead and like this video down below. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you're doing. Tell me who you're with. Tell me what you're eating for dinner, okay? And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, Cakenistas. I kicked you guys.